Welcome back to another new video, guys. So this video I'm going to show you how to increase your FPS in Minecraft. So first of all, what you're going to need to do is go to your search bar and type gaming bar control settings, and you're just gonna open this. Then what you're gonna need to check is if this option is on, you have to turn it off. If it's on like this, you have to turn it off. Then you're gonna go to gaming and game mode. Make sure that this mode is on. Like if it's off, then you click on. Okay. Next, what you're gonna do is go to task manager, go to services, and wait a minute, instead of services, what you're gonna do is go to details and search Java here. You will see two types of Java, and for both you're gonna have to set priority to real time for both of them. Okay. And now what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna just enable cloud storage sense. So cloud storage like this. Open this, and here you make sure that this option is on, and you should do your settings like this 4 days and try to do it every day. So what basically this does is it deletes the temporary files that your PC makes and frees up available space for you guys. And lastly, what you can keep in mind is you should know that you have already updated your PC to the latest versions. Now let's move to step two. That is ensure that you have enough RAM allocation to your T launcher. To ensure that you have enough RAM allocation to your T launcher, what you're gonna need to do is go to your T launcher like this and go to settings right here. What you're gonna do is this is the memory allocation bar, and if you guys have supposedly 8 GB RAM, then you have to allocate at least half of that RAM to the T launcher so it will work perfectly. So in my case, I have 16 GB, so I'm just gonna type in 8000 MB right here. And next, what you're gonna need to do is click on save. Okay guys, the last step is to optimize our game settings. So basically what you're going to need to do is go to options and then select video settings. And here you just have to make all the settings same as mine. So let's go from the above. For the graphics, you should make it fast, chunk builder threaded, smooth lighting should be off, VSync should be off, GUI scale should be 3. You should reduce FPS when AFK. You should increase the frame rates to maximum. And if you keep on having, stuttering FPS, then you should limit this only then. And for simultaneous distance and render distance, this should be your, preferred settings. And similarly, if you go down, brightness should be set to bright, full screen off, bitmap levels off, distortion effects off, FOV effects off, entity distance 50%, entity shadows 50%, particles minimum, clouds also off. And further, your cloud distance should be 8 chunks and glit strength should be 75. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You just have to make the same setting, and believe me, this is gonna create a massive boost in your FPS. So for in my case, the thing was I just basically went from about 80 to 70 FPS up to currently I'm on 360 FPS. Yeah, that was pretty much how much boost I got. So that's pretty much for this video, guys. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.